what I would say before coming for this press conference, because I remember not very long ago, almost a year ago, I was here launching the trailer of my first film, and I was so nervous. I kept thinking about what am I going to say, what am I going to say. I was preparing answers, but I've decided that I'm going to be very honest, and I don't know if you can zoom into my eyes, but I'm feeling very emotional right now. This film is not a film for me. It's an experience that I never had. I started working at the age of 18 and I always complain about that one experience that maybe I won't ever have. You know, going to college, being by yourself, being independent. But this is that experience, and it's literally like videotape yourself and then you're releasing it. So this is not a film for me, it's just my journey, physical and emotional. And a very important part of that journey was a very, very close friend of mine. He is a very, very close friend of mine, and a very important part of this film, Mr. Randeep Hooda.
Sir,
say something.
Just a big thank you. And I think this film will speak whatever I want to say, so I'm eagerly waiting for it. I hope you are too.
Randeep is a man of very few words, so he's going to live up to that image today.
And now can I call upon stage Mr. Sajid Nadiadwala. And yesterday I had sent a text to Rahman sir, and I didn't know which country or which city he was, and I said we are doing this and it would be so great if you could be here. And the reply that I got was I will be there. And here he is. Could you please come up on stage, sir?
So when he was doing this movie, he said, would you have time to do this movie? I said, what? I will find the time. Because I think working with Imtiaz on Rockstar and knowing him for the past 4 years, I found that we both travel in a very freaky road, gambling, many things. And I like that gamble, and that's what he's done in this movie. I think it's going to pay off very, very well.
Could we also have Mr. Bhushan Kumar on stage, please?
Congratulations to the team of Highway. The music is, as always, Rahman sir's music is always superb. I've heard all the songs, and my favorite is obviously, everybody's favorite is Jugni. So all the best to the team.
After seeing the trailer, me and Imtiaz sir are here for you to answer the questions. Any questions? When Imtiaz sir came to my house the first time...
You don't have to call me Imtiaz sir just because they're asking the question that way.
So I call you sir only. He doesn't like it, but I do have to call him sir. Okay, when Imtiaz came to my house the first time, I didn't know what the script was. I didn't know anything. He just came with this script that was usually scripts are larger size. It was a small script. So initially I thought it was a short film, but then I realized that it's not. And he knows my father very well. So he said, you go and read the script. I'll sit and hang with your father. So they were hanging and they were talking. I went and I read the script the whole night. I was so excited I couldn't sleep. The next morning I called him. I said, I love it and I'm doing it. And that probably was, I didn't know what I was on for at that moment, but the experience was amazing. Actually amazing. I have to create a whole new word for this experience. It's not amazing, it was 7 things in one. Physically challenging, emotionally challenging, but let's just say I learned a lot about filmmaking, about movies, about myself, about India, since we traveled throughout 6 states. And I ate a lot of mutton because Imtiaz sir likes mutton.
एक्चुअली प्रोडक्शन के लिए ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं चुना. जब ये सब्जेक्ट चुना उसके बाद मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि इसको अगर प्रोड्यूस किया जाए तो ये ज़्यादा एहतियात से मैं कर पाऊँगा. उसकी ज़रूरत लगी मुझे. तो मैंने कभी प्रोड्यूस किया नहीं और मैं चाहता भी नहीं हूँ प्रोड्यूस करना कभी. मगर मुझे लग रहा था इस फिल्म में शायद ज़रूरत है. तो मैं साजिद भाई के पास गया. मैंने कहा कि अब क्या करना चाहिए. तो वी वर्कड आउट दिस थिंग कि वो प्रेजेंट करेंगे. बेसिकली वो रिस्क लेंगे और मैं पिक्चर बनाऊंगा. ही वॉज फाइन टू डू दैट. तो आई थॉट ठीक है यार अभी इफ ही वांट्स. सो दैट्स हाउ इट was. The experience was no different for me. It was the same as directing a film. It was no different at all.
और कहाँ का शूटिंग की?
शूटिंग हमने की दिल्ली, हरियाणा, राजस्थान, पंजाब, हिमाचल और कश्मीर में.
Nako Tabo Kaza. I think I was more comfortable there than I was probably in my room. I didn't throw any tantrums, yes, and I won't also, hopefully, otherwise my father will slap me 3 times and so will my mother. But it was a different experience for me, to be honest. Yes, I was being an urban city girl. I have traveled, but you don't really go to these places that you go to when you do travel. You stay in the hotels and you have like a very polished holiday. This was not a holiday. It was not polished, but it was an experience. And I got to see different things that I probably wouldn't have seen. So, to be honest, I'll do anything to go back to Nako Tabo Kaza.
I want every film of mine to be very different. It's later on that they say that it's the same film. This time I also feel that it's very different. For one thing, we did not have a full script ready. In the way that I knew the story very well, it's been in my mind for a very long time, but it was developing as we were going on. So I remember the time that I had spoken to Rahman sir once, and I was trying to tell him that I don't know what music is there in the film. There seems to be no situation as such. And then now there are 7 songs straight, and then some of those songs are repeated. So things have developed as we have gone ahead and made. Same thing happened with shooting. There were so many times when we were all climbing up to a location and Alia didn't know what the scene was when she reaches on top, and she used to ask me and I used to tell her.
What am I saying? Okay, let's think. What do you want to say? So it would literally be like that we would just kind of look at the location, say kya kahe, then we would take one line and take a variation, and we would say the same thing again. So it was different. A lot actually. One thing that I remember in particular when we were talking, he was talking to me about, because I don't know anything about acting, to be honest. I had no training or anything, but Randeep has, and he's done a lot more films than I have. So he was telling me about something about motivation. Every time you enter a space, you have a motivation to be there. So to follow your thoughts more than to follow the line. Why are you smiling? You said this to me. He said it. If I'm a bad actor, it's your fault. Yeah, so that was one of the things I've learned from him. I think मैं बहुत ही nervous थी, अभी भी nervous हूँ, और मैं nervous रहूँगी until the film releases, और शायद उसके बाद भी थोड़ा nervous रहूँगी. But I think that is a part and parcel. मैं हमेशा nervous रहूँगी, and that keeps me on my toes. Emotional हूँ क्योंकि I am very connected to this film in a very weird way. मैं explain नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि what this film is for me. I mean, जब मैं बात करने की कोशिश करती हूँ to somebody, I kind of lose my head goes in 7 different directions. So I don't know how to explain. आप चाय के लिए मिलिए, मैं बताती हूँ आपको.
सीन ऐसे
जी एक मिनट. हाँ सर.
नहीं आलिया पहले आप.
Anyone else wants to ask a question?
नहीं, एक मिनट प्लीज, मैं क्लियर कर देती हूँ. मैंने भी पहले भी क्लियर किया है ट्विटर पे. वो पिक्चर मैं हूँ ही नहीं. वो लड़की बहुत ही पतली थी, मैं उतनी पतली नहीं हूँ. रणदीप वो नहीं थे वो पिक्चर में. दैट्स सम अदर पिक्चर फ्रॉम सम अदर फिल्म, समथिंग एल्स. वो जो पिक्चर दिखाई दिया है वो कभी नहीं दिखाई देगा फिल्म में. Firstly, that girl from Student of the Year is not me, so that is a character that I'm playing. But to be honest, yes, I was a bit confused because if I've done only one film, so I was a bit kind of overwhelmed that he's coming to me for such sort of challenging character, challenging film. But I don't know. Then when we started shooting, it sort of felt right. I think everybody in the industry has been very warm and very supportive of all three of us actually when we made our debut. So Ranveer's comments I will keep to myself. It's a bit personal, but I would give him credit for introducing me to him.
तो जैसा इन्होंने कहा तो कुछ देर पहले कि मेरी फिल्में भी थोड़ी बहुत ट्रैवलिंग से संबंध रखती हैं, और ये कि जब आप बाहर की तरफ देखते हैं तब आपको कहानियाँ आपके जहन में आती हैं. सो मेरे साथ ऐसा था तो मैंने सोचा विंडो सीट ही रख देता.